Hi, this is Mitch with Village Lighting Company. We are going to talk about digital timers today. This one I've been messing with a little bit, and so we're going to restart it. But I would encourage you to always restart these. No rhyme or reason. It's just nice peace of mind to know that it's been reset and that you're dealing with, zeros. So you'll just go ahead and put in a paper clip. Everything will kind of flash, and you'll be to 12 a.m. First thing that we're going to do is on this setting here, clock, we want to set the current time. So we are going to push this and hold it, and then hour. Right now it's saying again 12 a.m. We want p.m. So we are at 3:39. So we're going to go past all of this to p.m. and then we are at 3. And then we're going to go up 3:39 p.m. And it is Monday, or it's not Monday, but it says it is. So we're going to go ahead and right here, we're going to change the day to Tuesday. And now I'm going to go ahead and release that. So our time is set. What we want to do at this point is set the first program. So we're going to hit program. This is saying 1 on, and the screen time is blank, and then there's the time. What we're going to do is go ahead and set the hour. So right now it's 12 a.m. I want to get back to 3 p.m. and I'm going to set it just a minute or two after the current time. So let's just do 3:41. So that's the on time. We're going to hit program again to schedule the off. And again, it's just going to AM, so we need to go to PM. So we need 3 p.m. and we're going to schedule it for 3:42. And then we're going to hit program, and that's going to move on to the next. What you want to do, if you want to set it, you can go set through a different one, but go all the way through and go back to your schedule or program 1, and then hit clock, and that's going to take you back. And so right now we're in auto mode, so we can either turn it off, can turn it on, and you'll see there's a little delay. It's for the mechanism to go. And then we have random. So if you have multiple programs in here, it'll go through all of them. And then we have auto. Now, when I went into program, I left it on program number 1 and hit clock, going back. So when I go to auto, it's going to run that program. And what I have noticed is it does take a few, like 10 to 15 seconds to turn on once it goes to the time. And so if we set it for 3:41, as you can see, it took it 10 to 15 seconds to turn on. And it'll do the same thing when it turns off. So it'll go to 3:42, and it'll go for another 10 to 15 seconds and then turn off. That's just how the mechanism works. So if you're antsy and you're just saying, it's 3:41, it's not turning on, give it a second and it will process. So I'm not going to sit here and try and talk for another 30-40 seconds for this to turn off, but it does work. Well, in fact, I will. We'll chat so we can see it turn off. But anyways, yeah, so that's your clock. That's your mode. That's going to set it between all the variables. Oh, there we go. So it's 3:42, which is what we set it for. It's going to take, again, 10 to 15 seconds for the mechanisms to go through, and then it'll turn off. But we've got our program. See, there we go. Program, day, hour, and minutes. So again, thank you very much. This is a full 1,000 tungsten, 15 amp rated timer. They're awesome. Anyways, thanks for watching.